Today I wanted to show you one of my favorite vegetarian dishes that's absolutely delicious. It's a beetroot tartare. Now, what I've done, it takes about an hour to cook the beetroot in some boiling water, leave the skin on it. Once it's cooked, test it with a stick, see if it's soft, and then take it out, cool it, remove the skin, dice it small. These are your ingredients for the dish. You have beetroot diced, you have tomato, cucumber, onion, coriander, salt, pepper, sweet chili sauce, olive oil, and it's quite easy. So when you want to make your presentation, you put all your beetroot inside, the tomato, the cucumber, fresh coriander, a little bit of onion. Now let's add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of Thai sweet chili sauce to give that extra taste, salt, pepper, and mix well. It's quite easy to do. You can vary the recipe. You can add a little bit of goat cheese on top. You can put some cumin, sour cream, whatever you like. It's easy. And now to make the presentation, I always try to use a white plate because it's so vibrant and full of colors. Add your beetroot inside. Okay. And just press it down. And what you want to do, just surround it with a little bit of Thai chili sauce, drop of olive oil, some balsamic, add a few nuts to give some texture to the dish. Garnish it with a little bit of watercress. And that, you have a nice, healthy beetroot tartare in about 6 minutes to make. However, the beetroot does take time to cook.